What is homeostasis? Homeostasis is the body's ability to maintain a condition at a specific level, such as body temperature, blood sugar, water content, and others. Homeostasis is maintained in the body by the brain's hypothalamus. It is believed that homeostasis is possible because the body has set points, which would be points at which would be optimal functioning. So deviations from these set points would trigger processes to bring the body back into balance. Let's talk about 3 systems that have set points. That would be body temperature, water regulation, which leads to thirst, and energy regulation, which could lead to hunger. Temperature regulation is controlled by the brain's preoptic area. It serves as the thermostat of the brain with separate warmth and cold sensitive cells. The preoptic area is one of the small parts of the hypothalamus. When a person is very cold, the body does a few things to increase body temperature, such as the blood vessels become more narrow under the skin. Also, the muscles and other organs of the body produce heat to warm up the body. And there may actually be shivering, which serves to warm the body. When a person is very cold, the body does a few things to increase body temperature, such as the blood vessels become more narrow under the skin. Also, the muscles and other organs of the body produce heat to warm up the body. And there may actually be shivering, which serves to warm the body. When you're too warm, the body also takes steps to reduce body temperature, such as sweating. This serves to lower internal body temperature. Also, the blood vessels actually get wider under the skin. Let's talk a little bit about how the body regulates water. Water regulation in the body is controlled through 2 kinds of thirst. The first is called osmotic thirst, and the second is called hypovolemic thirst. When you eat a large salty meal, this leads to a decrease in the fluid content in cells, and this would lead to osmotic thirst. You want to drink some water to replenish your fluids. When your body detects that your blood volume is low due to either blood loss or excessive sweating, this would trigger hypovolemic thirst. Hypovolemic thirst would lead to a desire to drink fluids. However, in the case of severe blood loss, it's possible that one would need IV replenishment of fluids in order to get back to normal to survive. When one has osmotic thirst, the need is first detected in the OVLT area of the hypothalamus. Information about the need for more fluid from the OVLT is transferred to the median preoptic nucleus, and then that triggers drinking or a desire to drink. When one experiences hypovolemic thirst, the need is first detected in a drop of blood pressure in the heart. That information is transmitted to the nucleus of the solitary tract in the medulla. The information is then transmitted to the median preoptic nucleus. A second pathway to transmit information about the need for more water in the body is signaled by the kidneys. The information is transmitted to the SFO by the hormone angiotensin II. The hypothalamus is also involved in the regulation of hunger. The hypothalamus is also involved in telling us when we are no longer hungry. That is to say, our appetite has been satisfied. It receives signals from the body that tell us we should stop eating. These signals are called satiety signals. That's all for now.